1.6 coordinate grids. I can graph a coordinate grid.
I can graph on a coordinate grid. On a coordinate grid. So, first question for you all. Give me another name. Raise your hand, please. Give me another name for a coordinate grid. What is another name I use for a coordinate grid?
A coordinate plane.
When we say coordinate grid, we also mean coordinate plane. When we say coordinate plane, we also mean coordinate grid. They're the exact same thing. It's in your notes. We'll get there in a second. Actually, here it is. A coordinate plane. Exact same thing as a coordinate grid. So please don't get confused by that. Okay, so a coordinate grid is what we use to graph or to plot points. What is the center of a coordinate grid, everybody?
Origin.
What are the ordered pairs of the origin? What's the ordered pair of the origin? Ayub?
0, 0.
0, 0. Very nicely done. Okay. We have a saying to remember the x-axis, and we have a saying to remember the y-axis. So I'm going to start it, you're going to finish it. Y-axis goes to the
Sky.
So that means it goes up and down, right?
Yes.
X-axis goes
Cross.
across. Because what does an X make?
Cross.
Cross, right? An X makes a cross. So X goes across, Y goes to the sky or up and down. Cool. Ordered pairs. Ordered pairs would be the 2 points that we use to mark a point on a graph. So like 2, 1. We'll get to that in a second when we get to our actual graph. And then how many quadrants? How many quadrants does a coordinate grid have, everybody?
4.
4. And what does the word quad mean?
4.
Okay, cool. The coordinate plane, we said a coordinate plane is the same as a coordinate grid. And in your notes now, we're going to go to our second page. And we labeled all of the parts that we need to know for a coordinate grid. So this guy that goes up and down here is what axis?
The y-axis.
This guy is the
X-axis.
x-axis. What's the center of a coordinate grid?
Origin.
Origin. What quadrant is positive, positive?
1.
What quadrant is positive, negative?
4.
What quadrant is negative, negative?
3.
Quadrant 3 and so on. You get the idea, right? I won't even go to quadrant 2 because I think you get it. In order to get to quadrant 1, we start where?
Origin.
Then we go positive, yes, no?
Yes.
And then we go positive again, yes, no?
Yes.
Because up is positive, yes, no?
Yes.
And right is?
Negative.
Right is?
Positive.
Positive, right? If we go positive, it's right. If we go right, it's positive. So then down is?
Negative.
Negative. And to the left is?
Negative.
Right? And you guys are getting really good at that because we've been doing it all year. Okay, and then the third one, it would be the actual practice. You are going to be asked to tell where points are. So I gave you this point, point A, and you need to tell me that point A is located at -3, -3. We started at the origin, we went to the left, -3, we went down, -3, we're good to go. We will also ask you to graph points on a grid. Graph 6 to -2, we went over 6, and we went down 2. And you guys, again, should be really good at these because we've been doing them in our minute math activities for 2 months now. Questions?